Hello guys, so we got BMW M340i. It's absolutely beautiful car and got 740 miles on the clock. And what we're doing here, paint correction plus ceramic coating. In terms of paint correction, the car, like I said, 740 miles. It already came very thin lacquer, so we got haziness, mirroring. We're dressing that with one-stage polish and after ceramic coating. But the car looks stunning. It's super important to preserve and protect the car in terms, even if it's new, because this, if I comparing to the as a skin, human skin, the pores are completely open. So we got a couple of defects in terms of birthmark already and swirliness. So once we preserve and protect and seal the paintwork with the ceramic coating, will be more tougher, I would say. But once again, I would highly recommend to do PPF on this type of paint. If it's thin lacquer or brand new car, valuable car, I would say definitely PPF in the future. So guys, now we refine the paint. So even micro defects, especially with the new car, we're going for micro defects. And we refine this paint in terms of micro swirls, I would say, inside in the paint. And we take them out completely, get rid of them, and seal it with ceramic coating. If I can just show you one more thing, is right here in the panel, what we're doing, you can see here, this white line, that's actually glue residue. So I would say the cars, brand new cars, have a cover, okay? And once they are covered with the fabric covered and certain glue are on a car. So that needs to be obviously what we're doing here, micro detailing. So we get rid of any kind of whatsoever glue, mirroring, micro scratches, and we refine this paint. Obviously, once we do that, we can apply ceramic coating, but we can't just wash the car and put ceramic coating on a, I would say, dirty car, or paint defects in terms of need to be done in terms of paint correction with the machine, first of all, because they don't come through factory. They don't do this in a factory, so there's certain defects. So what we do in easy car detailing, we need to paint correct it first of all, and once we got this glossy, beautiful metallic color, we seal it with ceramic coating once again. So guys, we finish polishing, decontamination plus the polishing in terms of tiny micro little swirls and scratches from front bumper, piano black bumper corner right here, and we are ready to apply ceramic coating. So once we apply ceramic coating is super important, I would say, for especially for brand new car, as you see how in terms of lacquer and paint is super fragile and everything is open in the beginning before we polish, in terms of acting as a human skin, as a pore, so everything is open. And once we put ceramic coating, we're going to seal this bumper for multiple months coming, especially for harsh winter and harsh season, salty roads, and really bad weather. So once we seal this, will be glossy, shiny, and especially preserved. So we apply the ceramic coating absolutely everywhere, and then we polish it off, buff it off the microfabric tower. So guys, signature detail being applied for this beautiful BMW 340i. What we did, most important thing, we preserve and protect this vehicle because it came absolutely stripped down, even after 700 miles, but there was some micro bird mark on a paint, couple of scratches, but we dressed that, plus, very important thing, preserve and protect, and skin beautifully, as you would see on a video. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, would help a lot, small channel like this, so please subscribe to the channel and you will be informed in the future for next video and next projects. Obviously we're planning something if we hit the 5,000 subscribers, so be a little giveaway of course, but please, wouldn't cost anything, just subscribe to the channel and you will hear from me next time very soon. Have a great day, guys.
She don't want to strip no more, don't want to hit that